To create a new event, click the Create button. The first step is to enter a name for your event. We will enter G Suite Training Calendar Lessons. Next, you can enter the dates and times for your event. You can also change the time zone if the event is taking place in a different one than where you currently are. You can schedule your event to last the entire day by checking the box next to All Day. If this event repeats, you can use the drop-down menu to set how often. In the Event Details section, you can provide more information about the event. Click on Add Location to enter where your event will take place. Calendar uses Google Maps to provide you with the exact location as you type the name of a building or business. If your G Suite administrator has allowed it, you can add a video call to your event. Click the Add Video Meeting Details link, and a video call will be added. Everyone who is invited to your event will be able to click the link and join the video call when it starts. You can set email or browser notifications for your event so that you won't forget about it. These notifications will come to you at a specified number of minutes, hours, days, or weeks before your event. Click the Add Notification link if you want to set multiple reminders. If you manage more than one calendar, you can choose the one this event should appear on using the drop-down menu next to the calendar icon. You can also choose the color that your event will appear as in your calendar. When you add an event, you can choose whether you appear as free or busy to people who have access to your calendar. If you select free, people will be able to invite you to events during the same time as yours. If you select busy, they will be alerted that you are not available at the time when they try to invite you. You can also decide if this event will be visible to those who can see your calendar. Selecting Public will allow anyone to see the event on your calendar, whereas selecting Private will only allow people you invite to see it. Choosing Default Visibility will follow the sharing settings you have set up for your calendar. In the description field, you can include details that will help your guests to understand what the purpose of the event is. When writing a description, you have rich text formatting options to bold, italicize, and underline text, create numbered and bulleted lists, and add links to web pages and online resources. You can use the buttons below the text box to add special formatting to your description, as well as add an attachment to the event. You will be able to choose the level of access your guests will have to these files when you save the event. To invite someone to your event, enter their email address into the Add Guests field. A guest list will be added below, and you will see if they have accepted your invitation. The Find a Time link will compare your calendar with the calendars of your invited guests, and you can change your event time to one where you are all available. And your guests' time zones will appear next to their pictures, making it easier for you to schedule across time zones. Finally, you can set the permissions your guests will have for this calendar event. Choosing Modify Event will give them the ability to change all of the details of the event. You can also choose to let them invite other people to the event and see the guest list. Once you are done, click the Save button. Congratulations! You now know how to create and set up all the details for a new event.